Joel Lamangan reveals plans for Nora Honor biopic. Manila, renowned film and NI director Joel Lamangan on Friday paid tribute to late actress Nora Honor, as he revealed plans to produce film about her life. In a Facebook post, Lamangan shared some anecdotes about Honor, whose real name is Nora Cabaltera Villamayor. Lamangan and Honor worked together on several movies together, including The Floor Contemplation Story, Muling Umawit ang Puso, Bakit May Kahapon Pa, Sidhi, Hustisya, and Isa Pang Bahaghari. He also shared that he and Honor would have deep conversations before they start filming so they can have better understanding of what they want for the film. Ang una naming ginagawa bago pumalaot sa pagbuo ng film ay ang mag-usap ng masinsinan kung ano ang gusto naming sabihin sa pelikula at kung paano namin sasabihin ito. Malimit malalim ang pag-uusap, may pagtatalo, may kaunting taasan ng boses, at sa huli sasabihin niyang ikaw na ang bahala direct, naniniwala naman ako sa'yo. Ganoon ang respeto ni Ate Guy, Lamangan said. He also shared how Honor would not tolerate seeing others being abused or experiencing injustice. Mabait si Ate Guy sa lahat ng katrabaho niya. Ayaw niya ng may naapi o naagrabyado, lalo na sa mga crew na maliit lang ang bayad. Sa last day ng filming tiyak meron siyang ibibigay na tulong na pera sa lahat, Lamangan shared. Lamangan, likewise, shared he and Ricky Lee have been talking about creating a film about Honor's life, but he laments that the actress died before the project is completed. Meron kaming pinag-usapan sanang importanteng pelikula na isusulat ng kaibigan naming si Ricky Lee, ang Nora Honor story, nakausap namin ang producer, naghihintay lamang ng tamang panahon. Sayang wala na si Ate Guy pero itutuloy namin, yon, he said. Honor passed away on Wednesday, April 16 na, at the age of 71. No further details on the cause of her death were immediately given. She started her entertainment career in the 1960s as a singer and was known for her golden voice. Nora Honor, superstar of Philippine cinema, passes away. Look, Nora Honor's remains now at Heritage Park.